Okay, girls, we about to do this the old school way. Y'all ready? Y'all ready?
Yeah, girl.
Okay. Uno, dos, tres.
Hey. Okay. What? Tell you something. Hey. All the chickens in the farm got me real messed up. All the chickens twerking in the farm. Twerk, 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 twerk. All my chickens to the right. Work, 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 work. Let me tell you something. I got this bar. Bar that's really good in the car. You know what I'm saying? Girl, I'm just playing. Girl, I'm just playing. But you know I'm just playing.
I don't care. I want you. Gotta say, 'cause it's my shit.
Damn! What the fuck? What's wrong with you? Oh, hell no.
My bad.
Oh, hell no, girl. I'm out of here.